How to become a digital creator on Facebook. This is a pretty new update in order to generate some money on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. As you could currently see, with my profile is indicated digital creator. In order to get this activated on your profile, you have to navigate towards the bottom right corner where you see these three dots and tap on it. So this will drop you to an interface like this. Then you need to scroll down until you locate turn professional mode. In my case, it's already on, so for me to turn it off, I'll tap on it. But if this is your first time, you will have the flexibility to turn it on. And what it does is, moving forward, you'll be able to monetize your content on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.